I would say this course has really given me the knowledge to feel comfortable going out and actually advocating for the type of farming in the future that I want to see, because now I know the soil science and I know what works.
It allowed me to utilize this course, so many aspects of the soil, to just play out in my life for me to find balance and to help others with maybe stress management.
I'm using the keys to ground and the tools, materials, the way to communicate. Every meeting that I'm having these days, I talking with farmers, but also like associations, universities even.
Soil advocate training has greatly impacted my day-to-day life. Making the connections to other people that are working on these topics has been huge. And so I was also able to immediately at the end of this course have a presentation that I felt confident in giving to groups of people, which is exactly what I did.
It has changed my life tremendously because it has become such a passion, especially understanding the relationship of wildfire to soil. I have become so passionate about educating people that I have classes at my home. I've started this soil sponge collective. We are actively hands-on working with people so that they then can spread out and teach some of these techniques.
In terms of how I viewed climate change, how certain processes like tilling and agriculture contribute to the climate crisis, and how like we don't have to end farming to mitigate the worst effects of climate change. We can return to ecological principles that have been in practice long before like colonial forces came into play that worked.
Even though I was working in sustainability, I still didn't really have a relationship with the earth herself. And I think that's been the most valuable transformation for me is that relationship with soil.